How to create a Telegram account without using the phone number. So first of all, open your Play Store on your phone. Now go to your search bar and here you need to search for a temporary number. Let me result here. You can see now here you need to install this application. Here you can see this is my case. I have already installed in my device. So here you need to open this. After this is Searchable installed in your system. Now here select your country and then select your phone number. Copy this number and then open your Telegram apps. Tap on settings, go to profile, tap on edit in the top right corner and then tap on another account. Enter your phone number, tap on continue and again, and it will send the code to your temporary phone number. So back to the application and just go to phone number and here you need to wait for some time. You will receive a OTP code. Now enter the OTP that you are receiving your phone number and you can create the unlimited Telegram account like this without any the phone number. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tutorial Tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.